Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to watch local channels on Hulu plus Live TV. It's a simple process that allows you to enjoy your favorite local programming without any hassle. First things first, make sure you have an active Hulu plus Live TV subscription. If not, you'll need to sign up for their service to access local channels in your area. Once you're all set with your subscription, open the Hulu app on your preferred device, whether it's a smart TV, smartphone, tablet, or computer. Next, navigate to the Live TV section within the Hulu app. There, you'll find a list of channels available for live streaming, including popular local stations. If you're specifically looking for local channels, you can use the search function within the app to find them quickly. Simply type in the name of the local channel you want to watch, and it should appear in the search results. Once you've located the channel, select it to start streaming live content instantly. Keep in mind that the availability of local channels on Hulu plus Live TV may vary depending on your location. In some areas, certain channels may not be accessible due to regional restrictions. If you're having trouble finding a specific local channel, you can reach out to Hulu's customer support for assistance. They should be able to provide you with more information on channel availability in your area and help troubleshoot any issues you may encounter. And there you have it. A quick and easy way to watch local channels on Hulu plus Live TV. Now you can stay up to date with news, sports, and events in your community right from the comfort of your home. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.